guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be playing Roblox Tower of Hell. But before we get on with the video, have you like, subscribe and hit that post notification bell? Well, if you didn't, please go hit it now. Now let's get on with the video. This level is easy, very easy. For some reason, before when I was now starting to play Tower of Hell, I hated shift lock, but actually no, shift lock is a good help. Let me tell you, some people here is not using shift lock. That's their business, not mine. So it's their business to not use it or to use it. I want to use it. I don't know how I only dying on this one, but every time I join Tower of Hell without doing a YouTube video, I always beat this level. I beat every single level in Tower of Hell off camera. I don't know why that's happening. Right, I beat this level. Nah, let's just fall in now. I only fallen. So I was right, that's a winner. But every time I do that one level, I die. Why? I don't know. I have no clue. Keep dying every time. So, you see what I mean? Very soon I will be posting a YouTube video in Brookhaven, so y'all watch out for that video. Yeah, let's just go in a different server real quick. Actually no, let's stay this server and keep trying and be very strong. Guys, I didn't start this YouTube channel for fans. I just started it for fun and gaming. So I don't want to do this one. I don't want to do this one. I'm scared. I'm gonna die. I didn't touch anything. You know what? Yeah, let's just go in a different. Right, so we're in a different server. I'm just going. And yes, I have 22 levels. I do know, but it's kind of oh no, I gotta pass this girl without dying. Shoot. And a YouTube fan I met in the cable. Actually no. To spend my money. No. I only have $8,066, so before I had 10,000 bots. and waste my money on stuff. I am super duper rich in this game, but I waste my money. It's better I just fall down. I ain't gonna make it up there yet. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this one is going to be easy, I think. I've done this level before. Oh no. Somebody glitched. Actually, no, let's just do it like this. Just did it. Ooh, I might beat the level. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah, this might make me die. I just passed the thing. I could have that could have been my chance to jump, but I didn't. I was scared I was gonna fall. I was so scared I was gonna fall. Hopefully I don't fall here neither. I could fall anywhere, anytime. Okay. I am so scared. I don't wanna fall. I'm going to die. Trust me, I'm gonna die. I have to take off my shift lock. That's when I do like that. My shift lock helps me with everything, okay? Ah, yes. Oh my god. I was holding my breath that whole entire time. I was so scared. But guys, when I reach the top, I'm going to end the video. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm gonna die. No, but for real, I'm very scared I'm gonna die. Or fall right here. But I'm so close to the top. That would just be weird. Yay! Guys, I'm just going to dance a little and then end the video. So, yeah. But first, I need to go in here and press the button. Okay, I don't think I have any time to dance. Okay, so guys, I am going to be leaving the game now and ending the video. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. So yeah.